Is hiring an accountant actually worth the cost for your small business? Or is it just another expense you could probably live without? Well, we broke down what it really costs you to handle it yourself, hire someone in-house, or bring in outside help. So by the end of this video, you'll know whether you're overpaying, falling behind, or right where you need to be. Hey, I'm Marcos with Small Business Playbook. Every week we dig into the questions small business owners are actually asking, whether it's about taxes, accounting, payroll, and a lot more. And today we're tackling a big one. Is it actually worth the cost to pay for accounting help? First, let's be honest about why this even feels like a question. Should I hire an accountant for my small business? And it feels like a real question because you didn't start your business because you were passionate about accounting and taxes. You started a business because you had a passion for something else the world needs, whether that's serving great food, or caring for patients, or improving people's lives in some other way. Well, now you're also responsible for bookkeeping, payroll, and tax returns. When most people think about hiring an accountant, they usually picture like one thing, and that's preparing and filing tax returns after the end of the year. But that's really just a small slice of it. Good accounting support helps you keep your books current and meaningful to help you see what to expect before income tax time instead of getting hit with an unpleasant surprise. It can also help you stay on top of compliance as rules change. And that's the real upside here. When your books are current and your filings are on time, you can actually use that information in your business. Use it to plan the timing of a new hire, or to set your pricing, or to better understand your costs. Okay, so what does it actually cost to do it yourself? If you're leading a business with a team, serving customers, making payroll, keeping everything moving, you don't have spare evenings for reconciliations. So the books usually land on whoever's closest to you. They land on an office manager, a family member, maybe a part-time bookkeeper wearing 3 other hats. These are all good people, they're doing their best, but accounting isn't their profession, and the work tends to fall behind everything that's more urgent. Then a deadline arrives and everyone's catching up at once. And if a mistake slips through, you're looking at penalties, interests, and stressful notices from the IRS or the state that end up costing you a lot more than the help would have cost. Okay, I wanted to jump in here real quick because I realized as I was putting the video together that I kept talking about cost and I never actually shared any real numbers with you. So bringing somebody in-house is going to solve part of the problem, but that comes with its own price tag. So salary for an accountant usually falls somewhere between $75,000 a year and $100,000 a year. And that's before taxes and benefits, software, training. So that's where outsourcing tends to make more sense. If you run a service-based business with somewhere between 5 and 100 employees, outsourcing accounting is probably going to cost you between $1,000 to $3,000 a month, or $12,000 to $36,000 a year. So if you compare that to the cost of a full-time hire, that's going to be a fraction of that cost. So just wanted to share those real numbers with you, and let's get back to the video. And here's the thing that's harder to put a number on: peace of mind. When your books are a mess, that becomes just like background noise. It becomes something that is always there and you never talk about. But with the right accounting support, your books are staying current, your payroll's running smoothly, and you don't have any surprises waiting for you at tax time. That peace of mind alone is worth a lot to most owners. If you're wondering whether hiring an accountant makes sense for your specific situation, that's exactly what TMA Accounting helps business owners figure out. TMA brings bookkeeping, payroll, and income tax preparation together with one team, one connected system for one fixed monthly fee. So you always know what to expect. The link's down in the description if you want to talk it through. So, is hiring an accountant actually worth it? Well, honestly, it's not always worth it. If you're brand new, for example, and it's just you and the books are simple, you can probably wait to hire an accountant. But once you've got employees, payroll, and real complexity in your small business, for most growing small business owners, yeah, it really is worth it. Because remember, it's not just about avoiding mistakes. It's about getting your time back, getting your headspace back, and having more peace of mind. If you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to Small Business Playbook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.